The United States Geological Survey, in cooperation with the National Weather Service and Federal Emergency Management Office, has issued a volcano eruption warning effective until further notice for all of Washington state. At 9:22 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, volcanologists and seismologists still monitoring Mount Rainier saw the first indications of lava projection. This lava projection means that the volcano will erupt at any time. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Those who have not yet evacuated the area may no longer have time to do so. Go to the nearest Red Cross shelter immediately. Failure to act or to attempt to shelter in place in your home could result in serious injury or death. Keep all phone lines open unless it is an emergency. This includes cell phones. All broadcast stations, television and radio will continue to broadcast this warning as well as any news or information that becomes available. Stay tuned to your NOAA radio or your local broadcast station for more information. To repeat, a volcano eruption warning has been issued and is effective until further notice for all of Washington state. This is a particularly dangerous situation. If you have not yet evacuated, you may not have time to do so now. Go to your nearest Red Cross emergency shelter immediately.